I'll leave it here and quick drop off, eh? Thank you. This is good? Okay. And that's Samara.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm outside. I need to do lunch though. I'm being lazy, waking up really late. Anthony, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. 325. Is it a restaurant?
No, it's a hotel, man.
It's a hotel? I just spoke out. For a kilometer. It's pretty much dead now. Is this a hotel? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Can I use the water? I'm just here for water. Thank you. Ooh, what is that place? It's far, it seems like. $7. Hey guys, this is Get Me a Hustle again. Back to another video. And today we started really late. I had to watch some games going on. My team lost out of the competitions. I'm here waiting for an order. Doordash is not starting. I don't know why. It's just... what the fuck? Okay, let's do this order. Thank you. This is Chris? Okay. And that's Samara. Alright, cool. Thank you. Hello. Hello.
Michael?
Hey, yeah. I'm here.
Yeah, do I meet you outside?
Yeah. Is this 325? Is it a restaurant?
No, it's a hotel, man.
It's a hotel? Okay, okay. Alright,
Yeah,
alright. Alright, I'll be there in a second.
guys, bye.
Alright, cool. See? Uh-oh. Perfect. I'm not accurate enough to make this cut. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Hey man, how are you? Is this a hotel?
No. Women using this down there.
Down?
It's closed.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright, let me go and check it out. Thank you. This is... Chris? How's it going? Yeah, it's referring to the other building over there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. For 3 hours, you can sustain me. Yeah. There you go, man.
Appreciate it.
No problem. Take care. boss. Here. Thank you. Hello, just wondering, is this 151? Thank you. Yeah, the person says it's coming to the lobby. Oh, okay, cool, thank you. Oh, nice. Thanks. Thank you, boss.
What's going on, everybody?
Two kill?
Yeah.
How's it going, man? No problem.
Have a good one.
You too. Take care. Alright, we press accepted. Thank you. Who is this guy?
Yep.
Yo, I'm outside. I haven't received any order from Doordash. Like, Doordash has been dead. Like, before, I really thought like Doordash is really busy on the night and UberEats is daytime, but no, I'm wrong. It's been dead, no orders. That's crazy. As you guys can see, it's been an hour, I haven't received any. I've been delivering with UberEats only right now. Oh, let me press.
There. Thank you.
Thank you. Just gonna leave it here. Quick drop off, eh? Thank you. On the table? Oh, perfect. Hello. Wait. Thank you. Can I use the washroom? Thank you. See you, man. All right. So, it's A3FC.
BA3FC, right?
8A3FC. Anthony, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Sabrina? That's Sabrina.
Can you tell the order number?
E812C. Huh? Okay. Thank you. Alright, I think it's pretty much dead now from Uber. I'm certified of what I made right now. Should be enough. And today, tomorrow, I'll be back early. I need to do lunch though. I'm being lazy and waking up really late, and that's not good. Oh, okay. This is okay. Let me go and check it out. I just picked up one order from someone dropped a cat here. At this time you just find some stuff on the street. Last time I just $10 on the street, just next to the condo. When trying to get in, I took it. Blessing day. But yeah, like around this time, especially on the weekends, people drop things. I'm heading here to McDonald's. If it's not ready, I'm just moving. Which is just $4 for a kilometer. It's not really.
684.
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Watch the days up down.